Hello, beautiful people. Today is a wonderful morning over here in the Volta region, Ghana. Today, I would like to show you how to modify your Merlin Energizer password. So, in this case, we have the Merlin 4 installed. So Merlin 4 has a different setting than the Merlin 18 upward or Merlin 15 upward. So I will show you those ones. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so let's begin. So to change your password, this is what you have to do. You put in the master pin followed by *0 and hash, and then you now put in the user 1, which is the master, which is number 1. So 1, and you follow it by hash. Then you put in the new password, which is 4 digit. So let's say should it be 2589. So you put in the 2589 hash. You do it twice. So another 2589 hash, and then it will give you 5 bibas telling you your password has been modified. So let's do that. So my pin here is 1234 hash. So let me put in the 1234. This time around *0 hash. So I'm telling the machine that I'm coming to modify the password. So I now put in the first user, which is user 1. In the 15 upward, you have to put in 0. So 10 hash. So now we are telling the machine we are changing the first user, the master pin, which is user 1. So now my new password. So let's say 2589. Then I follow it by hash. I do the same thing. 2589 hash. Alright, so here is different as well. So you could see it's only 1 beep, but in the Merlin 15 upward, it's going to give you 5 beeps. So in the Merlin 4, it's just 1 beep. So let's see whether our new password has been successfully stored. So let's try the first one. 2589 hash. All right, so the machine has just come on, showing that password has been successfully changed. So let's see whether the 1234 hash is still working. So 1234 hash. No sound, nothing. The machine is still there. Let's try again. Maybe I've input it wrong. So 1234 hash. The same result. So the machine has successfully changed the master pin to the new one. So anytime you come in to change your password, make sure you have the new password written down, or you have it, so that you don't make any mistake. Anyway, it won't do anything. It just had to the process will fail. Just that there will not be any problem. But for you not to fail and go back again, write your new password somewhere, your old password as well somewhere. So when you start, you are going to do it and do it right. All right, thank you. I would like you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this. We are going to post more and more videos concerning these security systems and things. So I will show you the fence we've installed all around. So subscribe to the new channel, and we have more video. We have a video of a garage that we've just installed, and so many systems.